Okay, let's see how we can create a smooth zoom animation in CapCut. First, I will show you how this clip looks. So right now there's no zoom. Okay, so I'm gonna go to this clip, and first we should decide where we want to start the zoom. Okay, I want to start somewhere around here. So after you decide, having this clip selected, you need to go to video and then go to add keyframe. Okay, and then decide where the zoom ends. I want this to end around here. Okay, now again go to add keyframe. This time you change the scale. Okay, from 100% we're gonna make it maybe like 120, maybe 25, 125, and enter. Okay, now if we play the video, so this zooms like this. Okay, so right now it's not too bad, but the thing is it's quite linear. From here it starts zooming, but it zooms in a very straight line. It just there's no change in the speed. Okay, so to make it look a little bit smoother, we need to add some kind of slower and faster movements. So for that we're gonna right click on this clip here and then go to show keyframe animation, and you can see here it says show keyframe graphs. Click here. Now you can see the graph. So click on any of the keyframes. I'm gonna click here, and then you can see this one is activated. If you haven't clicked anywhere, this one here it's not activated. So if you click in one of the keyframes, now it shows graphs. Okay, click on the graphs. So we have different uh, options. So I'm gonna go down here and choose cube ease. Okay, click here. Now it already shows you the animation. Okay, so close this, right click here and hide keyframe animation. Okay, so I'm gonna play this. Now it looks a lot better. It looks very different. It doesn't start zoom suddenly and stops suddenly. There is a kind of smooth animation happening. It's not the only one option. You can go to graphs and you can choose any of these options. You may like maybe ease out instead of cubic ease. You can try clicking ease out. Okay, clicking on ease out and see if it is something you need. Okay, this is not bad. Okay, it starts slow. I mean, it starts a little fast and then it slows down. Okay, this is also a good option. So yeah, you can either choose this or you can go to cubic ease as I did before, and you can have a very smooth and let's say dynamic zoom animation. It's not just linear, it's not like straight line. Okay, so this is how you can make your zoom in and zoom out look better in CapCut.